Hello, my dear students. I'm back with another poem for all of you. So, let's start. The title of today's poem is Mother Nature. The beautiful flowers, the fluttering butterflies, the chirping birds, the flowing rivers, and the tall mountains. These all and many more are Mother Nature's gifts to all of us. Let me recite a beautiful poem titled Mother Nature. Butterflies and bees, oceans and seas, green, green grass and strong big trees, pretty, pretty flowers and twinkling stars, a huge round sun in the sky so blue. Oh, Mother Nature, we love you. So, my dear students, I hope you enjoyed the poem. Do everything that you can to take care of Mother Nature. All right, bye. See you soon.